So, dumbbell French curl is a really good tricep exercise. See a lot of people doing it. It's one of those advanced exercises that if you don't have the muscle development there to control what direction your humerus bone is supposed to be isolated into, it can be really tricky. Especially if you're going a little bit heavy with dumbbells. A positive contraction, the contraction that gets that dumbbell off of your shoulder, is going to burn out way before the descending contraction will. So there's a way to kind of cheat yourself into that finished position. And it's called a rolling dumbbell extension, and they look like this. So you start out in your finished position, you come down to here, and then you pull the dumbbells to here. And then you do a press up to your finished position. And now this is a force negative on your triceps. And you just roll it back. And you go back to your finished position. But keep in mind, the big thing that happens to people with doing French curls and dumbbells especially, is the elbows want to go out. You have to really pull your elbows together. You'll also notice that my hands, I've got a false grip here, so that way I can roll the grip of the bells down like that. Those are rolling dumbbell extensions.